Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Okay, children, like we care for our parents, our friends, our family, and for our precious things, same as we have to care about our environment. As environment is also a very precious thing or a precious gift gifted by God to us in the form of nature, as we discussed in our previous chapter. Okay, children, we have to care for our environment. Why? What is environment? Why we have to care for it? Environment, that is environment, everything that presents in our surrounding, that is called environment. If it is land, it is water, or it is air. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land on which we live. Okay, these all are present in our environment. So we should take care of it. So let's start our new chapter, that is chapter number 15, caring for our environment. Okay, caring for our environment is very important as it is a very precious gift gifted by God to us. Okay, children, why we should take care of it? Because it gets polluted with the passage of time. So we should clean our environment. Okay, so what is pollution and how environment gets polluted? Pollution is a mixture of poisonous substances. Pollution is the mixture or contamination of some natural substances with the poisonous substances. So we should take care of natural substances that they are not come in the connection with the natural substance. Introduction of harmful materials. Pollution is the introduction of harmful material. If a thing which gets dirty or unclean because of some dust or because of some gases, that means it comes in the connection with pollution. So it is the introduction of harmful material. It comes in the connection of harmful materials. These harmful or poisonous substances are called pollutants. These harmful substances like harmful gases, harmful dust, and harmful fog, smoke, which we can smoke, that is very harmful for our environment. That harmful or poisonous substance is called pollutants. Now children, we come to know the types of pollution. There are some types of pollution, my children. Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. These air, water and soil gets polluted when we misuse them. So we should take care of it. If we don't care for them, they got polluted. So let's start with our first pollution, that is air pollution. So what is air pollution? Like in our air, 78% of nitrogen is present and 21% of oxygen is present and 0.03% of carbon dioxide is present, and some other gases, in remaining percent, some other gases are also present in our air. Other than it, if some poisonous gases getting mixed or contaminated with our air becomes polluted. So air pollution is a mixture of solid particles. When some solid particles or some harmful gases got contaminated with our natural air, it becomes polluted. Harmful to the health. Air pollution is very harmful for our health, like it causes the problem of breathing. We called it asthma, and also it causes irritation in our eyes. Like in winter we faces smoke also. Causes damage to the climate. Air pollution also causes damage to our climate, as our ozone layer getting damaged because of air pollution. Like बेटा AC जो है उससे जो भी गैसेस पास होती हैं, हमारा रेफ्रिजरेटर उससे जो भी गैसेस पास होती हैं, उससे क्या होता है, हमारी CFC क्लोरीन गैसेस हमारी पास होती हैं, जिससे एयर पॉल्यूशन होता है एंड इट डैमेजेस आवर ozone layer. Now what are the causes of ozone? What are the causes of air pollution? Okay children, there are some causes of air pollution. What are that? First cause, smoke released from vehicles. Like smoke released from vehicles, it causes air pollution, so we should use public transport. And also smoke released from factories, from homes, from burning the forest, so we should not burn the forest. Okay children, our next point is burning of fossil fuels. Burning of fossil fuels like coal. If we burn coal, it produces smoke, and because of that it causes air pollution. So we should burn fossil fuels in less amount. Bursting crackers. We should not burst crackers on Diwali or on some other occasions. Why? Because it causes too much air pollution, my children. So we should not burst crackers. We should make eco-friendly Diwali. Stone crushing. Okay my children, for crushing the stone and for cement crushing, it causes pollution. Why? For our personal use, for making the house, dust released from the stone or from the cement, it also causes air pollution. It is very harmful for our health. Chemical sprays. Also we should not use chemical sprays, pesticides, insecticides. Okay children, why? It also makes our air polluted and it causes air pollution. And in next video, we discuss effects of air pollution and ways of controlling the air pollution.